So the Kizer Dodo is the blacksmith edition. The blacksmith is famous for giving you this bag and the ultimate self-defense weapon is right here, which is the Dudu itself. Like the name of the extinct Dudu, this knife is nothing more than that. Now you can easily wipe this out, and by the way, this thing goes extinct. That means once there is a production copy of this and there is no more, you will never be able to find anything like it again. Now, a few things I like about this knife that is make it so much great about this. For ultimate self-defense weapon, you can easily just get it out from your boot straps or just about anywhere else and put it inside of there. This is why this claw is basically the whole design. You grab it and you get it out. It really comes down to that. Next thing is the rapid deployment. Rapid deployment, you can see the knife. It is really nice and fancy. I like the looks of it. This is a really interesting look to this whole entire design. In fact, this is one of my favorites, by the way. And for those of you who know me, I collect certain things, and this knife is one of those. Now, this one is interesting that it does have the liner lock for you to go ahead and press here. So you need two fingers for you to go ahead and close, actually two hands for that matter. But to open it, it's rapid deployment, which is amazing. Rapid deployment is like you need this in a self-defense situation. You grab it just like this, you get it out, and then of course you use it. So if some kind of wild beast in the forest goes after you like a tiger and so on, well, if you're a tiger, good luck to you. But some big animal, you know, chases you around and you need something in emergency situation to defend yourself and quack, 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 you know. Zombies, stuff like that. There's always the need for something like this. Anyways, this is like the ultimate zombie defender knife. It is just the way it looks, the small frame of it, the entire look of it makes this thing really awesome as well. And I really like the entire design, the whole entire thing about this. And the price is just amazing. It's not too expensive, at least not yet, because if you don't get your copy of this, well, there might not be any more of it. And talking about any more of it, let's take a look at this up close so you can see how awesome this thing looks. Wow, this is just a beauty in every sense of the way. This thing is collectible grade material. Really like the whole entire design throughout this entire knife, and the grab handle over here, just grab it, grab and go. Now, another thing about this is it's easy for you to go ahead and open this up and deploy this for fast deployment action. It's faster than a gravity knife, faster than just about anything else, and it's totally legal too. So there is no spring mechanism, there is nothing fancy about it. You just put your finger over here, force of inertia opens this thing up exceptionally fast. 1 second, opens up just like that. And totally legal in almost every jurisdiction out there. Really nice looking as well. And the action, the grip, super solid, really nice looking. The handle feels just about right. As you can see here, I have big hands and I can actually press on here. It doesn't feel bad at all. You can definitely grab it, you can use it. It looks exceptionally sharp as well. Well, it is sharp, but it looks cool. Now, Kizer itself put its name right on the blade itself. If you're looking for something to nick this down a little bit, saying, well, this is not perfect, well, yeah, there's the logo over here. What can you do? There's nothing you can do about it. This is probably the only downside of this specific knife. It is just that, but hey, they had to brand their name right on this knife itself. Other than that, this might be a perfect 10 for this knife. Why is that a perfect 10? It is because I can't think of any flaw in this specific knife. It is designed to perfection. And yeah, for people who hate those clips, you can just go ahead and get a screwdriver. It's a very specific one for that matter, and you can just remove this and then you have no clip for you at all. But for those of you who like the clip, it is added bonus. It is really much more tighter of a clip that I have seen in quite some time. It doesn't bend this much easily. but maybe that's a good thing. But if you hate it, you can just get rid of it. Maybe that's the only downside of this specific knife, is how firm and stiff this thing actually is. Other than that, it is an awesome knife. You should consider this as your next EDC because it is cool, it is handy, it is really one of those perfect knives for you to go ahead and slice and dice and use in any kind of EDC or self-defense situation. This is ultimately the ultimate self-defense knife because you grab and go for whatever pocket that you have been carrying this in, and with rapid deployment. So two-hand deployment over here, well, it's one hand. Grab it with one finger, deploy it out, and then press on here and get the knife out. So it's pretty much a two-step process for you to deploy this specific knife. But the looks of it is just gorgeous. The gorgeous looks is what really drew me first to this knife. This thing being a blacksmith means that it is of exceptionally really high quality, above and beyond what most Kizer knives will actually get you. You can see right in the back here there's this gibbering right here, and it feels solid. It looks really beautiful as well, and the link here too. This knife is just a beauty. It is designed with collectors in mind, those of you who need something for self-defense, somebody looking for a fancy gift to give to somebody else, or specifically for this knife being a collector's grade knife as well. There's so many different uses for it. Definitely suggested and recommended for you to buy this. It is awesome.